Well, like I said, after the primaries, if you recall, I did insisted that what happened in Samuel Ogumiloro Stadium was likened to a birthday party or a reception for a wedding at Samuel Ogumiloro Stadium. It was not a primaries because you cannot imagine the Asue people coming to say they are doing primaries. And you cannot disenfranchise the authentic delegate. You remember I used the word. I have used the word consistently that authentic delegates voted for me. I used the word consistently. The people that you saw at Samuel Ogumiloro Stadium, they were not delegates. They were staff of government. I said that. So as far as I'm concerned, this judgment is for democracy. This judgment is for Edo people. And Edo people should know that by the grace of God, together, we will take our government back from outsiders. Outsiders will not have space to rule us. We need good governance. We don't want people that will be repatriating. I mean, we'll be having. We don't want capital flights again in our state, where people come from outside, and even to a caterer that will cook food in government function in Edo will be brought from Lagos. No, that is not what we signed for. So as far as I'm concerned, I want to salute the courage of the judiciary. I want to salute the courage of Justice Eko. And I want to say that this judgment is for democracy. This judgment has shown that the journey to recover Edo from outside has started.
So what is the implication of this judgment on your party? I mean, PDP.
Well, I don't work in isolation. I'm going to go back and consult. We are a team. Don't forget that in this race, we were 10 of us that started this race. 9 of us are together. 9 of us are still intact together against what they did. So I am going back to sit with the team, and we will get back to you on the next step that we will take. And we also, I'm sure the party will also let you know what it will say. But I'm a team player. I'm going back to our team. I'm going back to meet Ogbede Yama, Aslemo Jesua, Sele. All of us will sit again to analyze the judgment. But one thing I know is that I've been vindicated. I said it from day one that what transpired in Samuel Ogumiloro Stadium was just likened to a birthday party's reception or a wedding reception, because the authentic delegates were not there. Don't forget, I used the word authentic delegate, and I'm happy that the court has vindicated me.
Thank you so much, Sir.
To his own question, sir. You were being courted by the APC.
Yeah. You have what?
Courted by the APC to join them. With this development, are you going to have making?
Well, any party that wants to win an election wants to membership, because it is the membership that swells the party and the membership that determine the vote. Because when you have the entire Edo in one party, you are sure of victory. And a political party that does not want its people cannot win election. It will only be preparing for rigging. So parties that want to win election will go and woo people into their party so that they can have a large number of party members that can also bring people to vote. So, like I said, I'm a team player. I'm going back to meet my team. We were 10, 9 of us are still intact, and we will do an organized press conference. For this judgment this morning, for me, I'm happy and that I've been vindicated.
Thank you. Thank you so much.